Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel, Tech in Resham. Today, we're going to dive into the simplified architecture of Kubernetes. In Kubernetes, we have nodes, and there are two main types, master nodes and worker slave nodes. Let's figure out the difference between a master node and a worker node. We'll also learn about the roles and responsibilities of each node, as well as the basic idea of how and what Kubernetes does. Worker nodes are the ones that do the actual work and have lots of pods. A pod usually has a container or application. Worker nodes are the ones that get the job done, and each one needs to have three important processes installed: container runtime, like Docker engine, Kublet, which talks to containers and nodes, and Proxy, which sends requests. Services are like messengers that help nodes talk to each other. They're shared among the nodes, so if one pod goes down, you can still access it from outside because the external IP address stays the same. A Kubernetes cluster is made up of many nodes, from a few hundred to thousands. A master node is like the boss of a Kubernetes cluster. It has four important processes: API server, scheduler, controller manager, and etched. The API server puts applications in place, acts as a security guard, and talks to clients, like the Web UI, API, and kubectl. The scheduler decides where to put resources based on what's available on the nodes and spreads them around the cluster. The controller manager fixes dead pods. Etched is like the brain and database of the cluster, storing important information about the cluster's state. To set up a Kubernetes cluster, you need at least 2 master nodes and 3 worker nodes. Master nodes are important but don't do super fast stuff, so they don't need super powerful hardware like a super fast CPU, lots of RAM, or a huge storage drive. In contrast, worker nodes run pods, and many pods can be on the same node, so they need more powerful hardware. To grow the cluster, we can either add a new master node or increase the number of worker nodes to handle more apps. First, we get a bare metal or virtual server and set up the node process. Then, we add the server to the cluster. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, or subscribe.